Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, it's a quick little update for today. We can see the Dow Jones is continuing to really push to the high side right now. We're really starting to gallop out of this, and so I believe we're probably likely to see this continue for quite some time now, ever since we've been in this sort of range. If you go to this weekly chart, you can see we've pretty much been in this range for quite some time, this sort of range through here, as you can see, right? So this, and so right now, ever since we've sort of broken up out of this here, we're now starting to really gallop up. So 30,000 Dow, here we come. And I know that sounds pretty crazy, but we've just been going sideways for a few months. Not much movement. Now we're breaking out. We're probably on our way to 30,000, and this thing is just absolutely just going for it. So the short-term target for me would be the top of this channel for the Dow. Moving on through to the S&P 500. That just had a little pause at the channel, and now it's breaking through and continuing up. Once again, really just galloping up. So it's interesting, right? You're like, how far can this thing go, and so on and so forth. And it'd be really interesting to see how far this thing continues to move up from there. And same with the Nasdaq as well too. Look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq's completely broken out of its resistance, so we don't need to have that on the screen anymore. There was a bit more of a longer term. There's a bit more of a channel coming through here, as you can see. Right, so that may be a target where the Nasdaq's likely to get to. But as you can see with the Nasdaq, look at this here on the Nasdaq, right? Look at all that sideways movement, and now we're breaking up and out. So I would say we have at least another few months now of upward movement. Now, not every day. When people hear that, it's like every day upward movement. No, of overall upward movement, okay? And we may get a bit of a sideways movement, but I'm absolutely loving this this volatility here. And I'm loving the trading that's happening right now. So that's what's happening there right now on that there. Also on the GDX, I see some people talk about the GDX of what's been going on through there, and the weekly chart is having a bit of a pull. The weekly chart, you know, it's having the weekly chart's still on this pullback through here. And even though this daily chart, it's so important, guys. Okay, if you're looking at the daily chart and you see this here, it's so important. Keep an eye on that weekly chart, okay? Because that weekly chart, yes, yes, it looks like we're getting a bit of a weakness through here, but not really, right? There's no real strong downward trend right now on the daily chart. But even if there is, that weekly chart is king, okay? Please keep an eye on that weekly chart, because what I mean by that is that right now we're just in a bit of a pullback. This could easily be a big pullback before we start to see another big run through there. All right. So that's what I want to share with you there. Let me just talk about one of my most successful trades that I did just recently, and that was with WUW. Let me take this off here. This was on WUBA. I just got out of 4 trades just recently. One was 50% loss. That's 50% loss on the investment. One was a 6% loss. Then I had another one was a plus 48% and another one plus 195%. So overall, over those 4 trades, I was only 50-50 right throughout those 4 trades, but I still gained 187% for return on my investment. Now, when I say those numbers there, guys, I'm talking about percentage on my account, right? So if I'm trading 5% of my account, then my account, you know, grew, you know, 7-8% in total. You know what I mean? Throughout that period. Or if it's 10% on my account on any given one trade, then my account grew over, you know, whatever. You know what I'm saying there? So that's what those numbers are. You must. It's so important that when you're trading, right, that you don't throw a lot of your money at one single trade, because you never know what's going to generate the profit there. Make sense? So I got into this trade here. I saw WBA here. I saw a bit of a false breakout here, and then I saw the market come down, create a little high low. Where the arrow is where I entered, and then I knew that it's probably likely to get back up to the 64. But I had a bit of a weekly resistance line coming down through here, and I said it has a very high probability chance to get into the resistance line. Once it gets there, then I'm going to be out. And so it got there. And then so therefore, and I exited. This one gave me 195% return on the option. So very, very, very happy camp. It's been a good week. I've only been 50-50 right this week. But in a nutshell, the account is just still growing nicely. So you can do so well out of this, guys. You just gotta, this is the approach you need to take with trading, right? It's just do, and make sure you're getting into good quality trades as well too. That's the main thing there. So, guys, if you'd like to learn my trading system and how I trade, also if you'd like to see my scans, how I set out my scanning, how I scan a lot of stocks to find my trades, and how I use options, how I trade options, stuff like that, then click on that very first link in the description, or go to johnsfreegift.com. You get one, you're going to get access to a free trading course, but the very first training you're going to get access to is a 60-minute training, me walking you through my trading system, my scanning technology, how I scan for these trades, and then also how I trade the options, what options I trade, and so on and so forth. So you're going to absolutely love that. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, and you'll be able to see all that there. Hope this helps you out, guys. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. So you're in this brand new Go to the Markets by the Balls trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com. You're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training that goes for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.